At this time, I'd like to introduce to you Mr. Moritaka Yoshida. Mr. Yoshida is Managing Officer at Toyota Motor Corporation. He has also been with Toyota for about 31 years, and he's had a variety of responsibilities, beginning as a chassis engineer, and then has continued on in many different capacities, but most recently, and some of you got to know him as the chief engineer of the Lexus 460 and also the Lexus 600. And his new responsibilities are as the Chief Safety Technology Officer for Toyota and oversees Toyota's global safety initiatives. And so I'd like to ask you to join me in welcoming Mr. Yoshida to the podium.
Thank you, Bruce. Good morning, everyone. As Bruce said, I am the Chief Safety Technology Officer, or CSTO, for Toyota Motor Corporation. I want to personally welcome you to the Toyota Technical Center. It is our pleasure to demonstrate some of the safety technologies that we are developing here in North America and globally, and to introduce many of our new research partnerships at the Collaborative Safety Research Center, or CSRC. As CSTO, my responsibility is to ensure that safety is a key consideration in every decision that Toyota makes, and vital components of every vehicle as well. This is a critical responsibility that I personally take very seriously. This position responds to the challenge set by Akio Toyoda to significantly increase our attention to safety and quality in every Toyota vehicle. It is also based on the valuable recommendation of Toyota's North America Quality Advisor Panel, led by former U.S. Transportation Secretary Rodney Slater. Our objective is to help lead the automotive industry beyond mere compliance with safety regulations and to actively share our safety accomplishments and innovations with the public. Today, you will hear a lot about the CSRC. It is a key example of how Toyota is moving beyond its own internal research to focus on advancing safety technology across the automotive industry to benefit all of society and help develop the safest and most responsible ways of moving people. Let me assure you, these changes are real and fundamental. In the past, safety issues were handled by individual research and development units. Today, everything related to safety comes directly to me. Toyota's safety story begins in 1966, when we began to develop our first comprehensive passive safety system. In that effort, we started with trial and error, testing in a controlled environment to develop tools like car-to-car impact and rollover tests. Our tools have grown more sophisticated over time, but our attention and commitment to safety has remained the same. 45 years later, our focus remains on what we now call safety technologies in real life. This is an approach that is deeply rooted in the global vision that guides our company. Since 2006, we have developed safety technologies based on the integrated safety management concept, considering safety systems through all driving phases. And we pursue our safety objectives through programs that consider people, vehicle, and the driving environment as individual parts of an integrated whole. For people, Toyota stresses the driver education that includes a wide range of activities, beginning with kindergarten-age children and going right through to teens and seniors, just to name a few. For vehicles, we aggressively investigate crash data and related injuries, using that information to reenact crashes and develop active and passive safety systems. Finally, for the driving environment, we partner closely with government agencies to help develop safer roads as part of an overall transportation system that integrates the vehicle and traffic environment in the safest ways possible. What does this mean in the real world? We call it the pursuit of actual safety. Understanding crashes by simulating them and analyzing the result. Then, based on our findings, develop countermeasures and verify how much they enhance vehicle safety. This requires sophisticated method of recreating crashes, which we do through computer simulations and crash tests with real vehicles. In addition to minimizing the effect of vehicle crashes, Toyota aims to develop technologies that can help to avoid them. To achieve this, we analyze driver behavior leading up to a crash. Since we cannot replicate these scenarios in real life, we have developed advanced simulators that help us monitor what the driver does and evaluate the effectiveness of potential technologies in a virtual environment. We have a small simulator to show you today. That is one of many tools in our box to study such things as the common distraction called look but fail to see, what some people in America call brain fade. In Japan, we have built one of the world's largest indoor crash test facilities at our Higashi-Fuji R&D Center. And we have constructed another collision facility here in the US at the Toyota Technical Center's York campus. Tomorrow, at the end of our program, you will witness a 35-mile-per-hour crash test of the all-new 2012 Camry. Made here in America just 8 days ago, its life will be very short, but significant in its contribution to our safety technology. These research strategies are at the heart of many of the partnerships that the CLSRC is announcing today. But there is much more work to do. Traffic fatalities in the US continue to decrease, but crashes still accounted for more than 30,000 deaths in 2009. As you will see today, the CLRC has focused its initial research on driver distraction and such vulnerable populations as children, teens, seniors, and pedestrians. These will be among the areas of focus for our safety research in the months and years ahead. Thank you very much for your time today. We are grateful for the opportunity to help contribute to automotive safety here in the United States. Thank you.